So guys, today we will be solving the first problem from the CSES problem set. Let's read the problem. Okay. Consider an algorithm that takes as input a positive integer n, right? And if n is even, the algorithm divides it by 2. And if n is odd, the algorithm multiplies it by 3 and adds 1. And the algorithm repeats this until n is 1. For example, the sequence for n equal to 3 is as follows. Okay. So let me copy this sequence. Okay. Mm, okay. Oh, I already copied it. Never mind. Okay, so our input is 3, right? This is our input, and this is our output, right? Let's see how did we reach this output, right? So 3 is an odd number, right? And what we are told to do is uh, we are told to multiply it by 3 and add 1. Okay, we are told to multiply the odd number by 3 and add 1. So 3 into 3 plus 1, which is 10, right? So let's see what we have to do for 10, right? Uh, okay, wait a second. Okay, this should be quick. Okay, now for 10 is an even number. So what we have to do is we have to divide it by 2, right? So dividing 10 by 2, we get what? 5, right? Now 5 is odd. Now repeat, we have to repeat this process till n is 1. Okay, so 5 into 3 plus 1, we get 16. Now 16 is even. 16 is even. So we divide it by 2, we get 8, right? 8 is even. We divide it by 2, we get 4. 4 is even. We divide it by 2, we get 2, right? And 2 is also even, right? So we divide it by 2, we get 1. And we have to run this algorithm till n is 1. So at n, when n is 1, we have to stop, right? So now it is 1, so we stop or we return here. Okay. So I think it is pretty clear what we have to do, right? So code. let's code our logic. Okay. Mm, sorry. Okay. Let's include our header files, standard C++.h using namespace std. Okay. Int main. Now, just to be on the safer side, I will take the input as long now. Okay. And we are going to modify it. So when we multiply it by 3, right? For the odd case, it won't overflow. Okay, so let's take the input. Okay, do we have to print it? Okay. Okay, we have to print the number also. So we print the number. Okay, so we took the input and we also outputted it, right? We also output it. Okay, so let's see. Now, when our n is greater than 1, right? We have to run this algorithm till we reach n, right? So what we have to do is let's go with the case of if n modulo 2 is equal to 1, right? N modulo 2 equal to 1 means when the remainder is 1. And when we divide a number by 2 and get a remainder as 1, it is an odd number, right? So what we have to do is we have to multiply it by 3 and add 1, right? For the odd case. Now, for the even case, what we have to do is we have to just multiply the number by 2. Divide the number by 2. And we also have to output it, right? Okay. And after this is done, what we can do is just return 0. And this should work, right? Uh, oh, sorry. Okay, let's give it 3. What we get? 3, 10, 5, 16, 8, 41. Is it correct? 3, 10, 5, 16, 8, 41. Okay. So let's submit it. Okay, so it submitted successfully. Okay, guys, this is it for today's video.